Hi everyone, let's talk about improving your eyesight naturally. I remember when I first started focusing on my vision health. Simple eye exercises and a holistic approach transformed my vision. I started noticing vibrant colors and intricate patterns. You too can experience this. Your eyes need exercise and care to function at their best. Are you ready to see the world with fresh eyes? Let's get started. The first step to improving your eyesight naturally is to break free from the dependency on glasses or contact lenses. I know it can feel strange at first, but trust me, your eyes have the inherent ability to see clearly without them. Think of it this way: glasses and contacts are like crutches for your eyes. They help you see, but they also prevent your eyes from fully engaging and strengthening their natural focusing power. By removing these visual aids, you're giving your eyes the freedom to work independently and naturally. It's like taking off the training wheels and letting your eyes ride free. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about relaxation. When we're stressed, our entire body tenses up, and our eyes are no exception. Tension can restrict blood flow and limit your eye's natural ability to focus. So find a quiet space, dim the lights, and take a few deep breaths. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, neck, and face. Imagine your eyes relaxing and softening. This relaxed state will set the stage for effective eye exercises and optimal vision improvement. Remember, improving your eyesight is not about straining your eyes. It's about gentle exercises and creating a relaxed environment where your eyes can thrive. Let's start with two simple exercises: deep breathing and distant gazing. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to your eyes. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, hold and exhale slowly. Repeat several times. For distant gazing, find a distant object and focus on it. Then, shift your gaze to something closer, like your hand. Alternate between near and far gazing several times. This trains your eye muscles to adjust and focus effectively. Circular eye movements. A workout for your eyes. Give those eye muscles a workout with circular eye movements. This helps improve flexibility and range of motion. Roll your eyes in a clockwise direction. Do this for 10 repetitions. Then switch directions and roll counterclockwise. Circular eye movements promote relaxation and circulation. Section 6. Finger focus, training your eyes to see clearly. Let's try the finger focus exercise. Hold your index finger 10 inches from your face. Focus on your fingertip, noticing the details. Slowly move your finger away, keeping focus. Bring it back, maintaining focus. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Section 7. Skiing, connecting with nature to enhance your vision. Skiing is a natural vision improvement exercise. It involves gazing at the sky and letting natural light bathe your eyes. Find a comfortable spot outdoors with a good sky view. Let your gaze wander effortlessly and relax. Section 8. Open and close. Final steps to crystal clear vision. As we wrap up our eye workout, let's finish with two simple yet effective exercises: wide open eyes and tight closed eyes. For wide open eyes, open your eyes as wide as you can, hold for a few seconds, and then relax. Repeat this about 10 times. This exercise helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles around your eyes. For tight closed eyes, close your eyes as tightly as you can, hold for a few seconds, and then relax. Repeat this about 10 times as well. This helps to improve circulation and reduce eye strain. Section 9. A brighter outlook. Embrace the clarity. Congratulations! You've completed a series of simple yet powerful eye exercises designed to improve your vision naturally. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine, and you'll likely start noticing a difference in your vision clarity and overall eye health. You might find yourself squinting less, reading more easily, and seeing the world with a newfound vibrancy. Embrace the clarity and enjoy the journey to healthier, happier eyes. Section 10. Further exploration resources and activities for enhanced vision. If you're interested in learning more about natural vision improvement, there are many resources available. Books, websites, and even eye care professionals specializing in vision therapy can provide valuable information and guidance. Additionally, incorporating eye-healthy habits into your daily life can make a big difference. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays with sunglasses. Remember, your vision is precious. By taking proactive steps to care for your eyes, you're investing in a lifetime of clear, vibrant sight. Keep those eyes healthy and enjoy the beauty of the world around you.